Countertop induction warming zones let hosts keep platters warm at serving time without bulky drawers or carts. Design the layout by mapping the pass-through and serving areas so warming elements sit directly beneath where platters will rest, and choose elements rated for continuous low heat to avoid hotspots. Use a thin induction element and a compatible surface such as ceramic glass or heat-resistant quartz with a cookware-compatible zone marked so hosts place metal platter bases correctly. If platters are not induction-friendly, add a thin induction-friendly disc under the platter. Integrate a dedicated thermostat control calibrated in degrees Fahrenheit with a clear low range for holding temperature between 120 and 160 degrees, so proteins and casseroles stay safe and moist. Include a cooling cutout that cycles off when surface temperature exceeds safe thresholds to protect countertop finishes and connected cabinetry. Add a user lock that prevents accidental activation during cleaning or when kids are nearby, and place the main control where servers can reach it without crossing the work triangle. Plan wiring and ventilation access in the cabinet below and route power to a fuse disconnect so electricians can service the element without cutting power to the whole kitchen. 3 common issues are surface overheating, incompatible cookware, and improper placement. If the surface overheats, it will damage the countertop finish, so use a temperature limiter and cooling cutout and select materials rated for the expected continuous heat. When cookware or platters are not induction compatible, use thin, magnetic induction interface discs or specify induction-ready serving vessels so heat transfers efficiently. For improper placement where guests or servers obstruct the warming zone, mark the surface clearly and position controls on the serving side near the pass-through so hosts can reach them without crossing the line of service. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who can plan and install integrated countertop warming zones, and helps contractors find work by listing projects and service requests. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share installation tips, surface choices, and troubleshooting advice to make large family service easier for everyone.